In this guide, I'll show you how to recover uninstalled apps on your Windows 11 computer. Now, there's only really one method we can use to effectively recover applications, and that's to head over to your Start menu and search for Recovery. Click on the Recovery option just beneath Settings, and then from here, select Open System Restore. Click on Next at the bottom, and you should see a bunch of different restore points that you can restore your system to. Now, the sooner you restore your computer from the time that you accidentally uninstalled the applications, the more chance you have of recovering these apps. So all you simply need to do is select a recovery point that's closest to the time that you uninstalled the apps. If you're not sure which recovery point to choose from, you can also press Scan for Affected Programs at the bottom here, and this is going to scan all of your apps and drivers, and it's going to list all of the applications that were affected. So you can see down at the bottom here, these are the applications that I'll be restoring if I choose this restore point. So if you do have your app listed inside of here, then all we simply need to do is close out of this window, select the restore point and click on Next. Make sure you have the C drive selected and then click Next again. And then finally, once you're ready to go, you can just go ahead and press Finish. And it's as simple as that, guys. That's how you recover your uninstalled apps in Windows 11. If you did find this video helpful, then please consider dropping a like and subscribing.